How to export Canva projects as PNG or JPG on PC. First of all, open Canva and make sure you are logged in. Open the project or design you want to export as an image. You can also create a new design by clicking the Create a Design button and finishing your project before exporting. Once your design is ready, click the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. In the pop-up window, choose PNG or JPG as your file type. PNG is ideal for high-quality images with transparent background, while JPG is perfect for smaller file sizes and web use. If your project has multiple pages, you can select specific pages or download the entire design. Adjust additional settings if needed, such as transparent background for PNG files or compressing the image to reduce file size. Once everything is set, click Download. The image file will begin downloading to your PC. Once downloaded, you can open the PNG or JPG file from your Downloads folder and use it for social media, websites, presentation, or printing. Now you know how to export Canva projects as PNG or JPG. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.